Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Epfo member portal and entering your UAN and current password. This verifies identity. Once logged in, make sure your registered mobile is active so OTPs deliver reliably. If your mobile is inaccessible, update contact details first at the nearest Epfo office or through your employer, because you need SMS verification to change credentials. Prepare a new strong password. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols so you complete the change without repeating steps. You click Manage, then select Change Password. This opens the secure password form. Enter your current password, then type the new password twice to confirm accuracy because mismatches cause rejections. Make the new password at least 8 characters, combining uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and a symbol. This strengthens protection against breaches. After submitting, wait for the OTP on your registered mobile, enter it promptly, and press Confirm. This finalizes the update and logs the change in Epfo records. You should log out and then re-log in with the new password to confirm success. This assures your account is accessible. If OTP does not arrive, make sure Do Not Disturb or SMS filters are off, then request a resend. Sometimes networks delay messages. If the portal rejects the new password repeatedly, clear browser cache or try another browser because stored data can interfere. For persistent issues, contact the Epfo help desk or your employer so they can verify and complete the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.